it's Yvonna here from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing. And I just had a shower and I remembered that I was going to make another video about the dry brushing that I talked about. So dry brushing, you can do that either in the shower or outside of the shower. What I've been taught by my Reiki teacher is that dry brushing can be as easy as this, to disconnect from the energies of a client that you're working on, or my version, if you're in the shower, to make yourself dry so you can use your towel a couple of times, is to actually take the droplets off yourself. And I do that with an intention, because dry brushing is all about the intention after all. So when I've had a shower and I've turned off the water, I can go like this and rinse off or swipe off all of the little droplets. And my intention is, I now wipe off everything that is not mine. I now wipe off everything from the day. I wipe off everything from clients. I wipe off everything that was in the news today. And then when you're wiping everything off you, off yourself, out the back, out the front, out the top, everywhere, especially if you feel that one of your chakras is a bit blocked, special attention for those chakras. So especially when you feel like you've absorbed a lot of stuff and you're not yourself, you feel like you're more other people's, or you feel there's a lot of attachment from other people to yourself, do it, definitely, because it makes life so much easier, especially for empaths. If you've been to the mall and you're really tired and things like that, especially when you're tired, go have a shower and wipe everything off that is not yours. I now wipe off everything that is not mine, all energies that are not mine, all emotions that are not mine. And very important, don't forget the soles of your feet. Make sure you go underneath your feet, you know, on your shin and underneath your feet, and then let everything drain away, because all the water has got to go down the drain anyway, and the drain goes to where it needs to be processed. So for you to be able to let everything go down and let it go, that's just perfect, isn't it? So definitely try this. You can try this at home. So go over and above everything, especially shoulders, because it's like the chip on the shoulder, that type of stuff that works. Any hangers on, anything that you want to put into your intention, you can do it. And the good thing is you can do this every day, because most people have a shower every day. So every day you come back to yourself and you're grateful for your shower, having a clean physical body, but also having a clean energetic body. Just wipe everything off. It's so easy, and I don't know why not everybody does this, you know. It's very beneficial for your entire being, your energetic, etc. being, but it's also beneficial for everybody else you get in touch with, because if you feel you're overdosing on people, then doing that in your own little small shower cubicle, it's a safe way, it's a great way, and it's a liberating way. And once you come out and you're like, I'm all good now, everybody that you're in touch with, like the people you live with, or if you have to go out to circles or anything like that, those people, they all see that you are your better version of yourself. So try this at home, try it for a week even, or however long you want. You might even make it a habit and implement it for the rest of your life. I hope you do. And make sure you do your whole body, everything. Alright, well, this was Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing, with another update on how to make your life better and how to enjoy your life. Subscribe to my channel please, and have a look at all the rest of my videos. During the lockdown I had a video a day that came out, so if you're into saving and becoming debt free, have a look at my money vlog. There's another one about creating happiness. It's all happy videos or things that make you happy, like for example dry brushing, etc. So there's plenty of stuff there. Anyway, I'll let you go now. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you next time.